Hey students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the video of ICSE course standard 9 lesson number 2 compound interest, and this is my second video. So the first video will be in the description. I will give the link in the description and you can see it here also. और ये जो वीडियो है वो डिफरेंट सब स्टैंडर्ड के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है जिसमें मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट के अंदर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है. तो मेक श्योर you can check that also. So let's see the sum. The sum I am about to take is from exercise 2a. The first sum I have solved in the previous video. Make sure you check it to understand the basics. So let's start with the second sum. Let me read out the question quick. Rohit borrows rupees 62,500 from Arun for 2 years, 10% per annum, simple interest. The meaning of the first sentence is रोहित बोरो करता है certain amount simple interest पर 2 years at 10% per annum. Then he immediately lends out this sum to Kunal at 10% per annum for the same period, compounded annually. बाद में जो रोहित है वो इमीडिएटली वही अमाउंट कुणाल को दे देता है, लैंड कर देता है एट 10% पर एनम, कंपाउंडेड मतलब कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट उसमें उसके ऊपर है. तो फाइंड क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट रोहित्स प्रॉफिट इन द ट्रांजैक्शन एट द एंड ऑफ द 2 years. मतलब 2 साल. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या रहेगा, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है फर्स्ट पार्ट में, और जो सेकेंड पार्ट है उसमें का फाइंड करना है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. तो ये होगा कम्प्लीटली रोहित के ऊपर और ये होगा कम्प्लीटली कुणाल के ऊपर. तो दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेथड से सॉल्व होंगे. तो फर्स्ट का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट से सॉल्व करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले वी हैव टू राइट, लेट मी इरेज दिस क्विकली. First we have to write principal, that is rupees 62,500. Then we have to write rate of interest, that is for simple interest and for Rohit it's 10%. Then number of years is 2 years. So we'll solve the sum. The formula of simple interest is simple interest is equal to its simple formula P into R into T by 100. So we will write here is equal to, in this scenario P is 62,500 multiply by 10 multiply by 2 upon 100. So here two zeros will be cancelled, and 62 times 625 times 2 is 1250, and multiply by 10 it is, we will get 12,500. So basically the simple interest would be 12,500. We have calculated here the simple interest of Rohit, the interest of Rohit. Now we have to calculate the interest of Kunal. So let's see. Kunal compound interest. So we will write here principal, that is same rupees 62,500. Then we have to write rate. Rate is here, it is mentioned 10% again for compound interest, and n is 2 years. So the formula of calculating compound interest is amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket close raised to n, that is number of years. So in this situation, P is 62,500 bracket 1 plus 10 upon 100. Rate of interest is 10. So we'll write 10 raised to 2. Number of years are 2. Then we will write here 62,500 multiplication. This is in multiplication, relation of multiplication. We'll cut here two zeros and it will become one integer 1 upon 10. That is 11 upon 10 multiplied by 11 upon 10. We will write here 2 times because here is square. So we'll write here 2 times. 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled and we will multiply all this. 625 times 121 and we will get 75,625. 75,625 rupees. We have got here the amount and we have to find compound interest. See, in previous we have find here simple interest 12,500. Then here also we have to find compound interest. So the formula of compound interest is CI is equal to amount which we calculated minus principal. Amount is 75,625 minus the principal is 62,500. So we'll minus it quickly, 62,500, and we will get here 13,125. So the compound interest is 13,125. Is it? Let me check again. Yes, it is 13,125. So the basic scenario here is Rohit borrows the amount on simple interest. He has to pay interest 12,500 at the end of 2 years. Then he lends the amount to Kunal and at compound interest, and then compound interest by compound interest Kunal have to pay the interest 13,125 after the end of 2 years. So the profit would be applicable to Rohit. So we will calculate profit. So what would be the profit? So I am writing here profit of Rohit. So as compounded annually, compound interest is higher than simple interest. So he will definitely get profit. So we'll write here compound interest is let us see 13,125, 13,125, and the simple interest is 12,500. So we'll write here 12,500. We will minus it quickly. Minus 12,500 gives 625. So we'll write here rupees 625. So by this question we can say that by borrowing the money for Rohit, he pays simple interest, and when he lends the money to Kunal to the another person at compound interest, he has to pay the interest 13,125. So here is the money payable by Rohit, and here is the money payable by Kunal. See, Kunal and Rohit. So basically Rohit will get profit. So we'll get profit of Rohit will be 625 रुपीज़. सो ऐसे भी टिपिकल सम आ सकते हैं, तो आप देखना, एक दो बार ट्राई करना. एग्जाम्पल में भी एक टाइप क्वेश्चन इसका एग्जाम्पल भी दिया हुआ है, तो आप वो भी ट्राई कर लेना. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.